Hi, I'm Chris Gumas. Welcome back to Ruland's Collar and Coupling Corner, the only weekly show that answers your shaft collar and coupling questions. This week's question comes to us from a user in Boulder, Colorado. They write, I am working on a scientific test system that has an operating temperature of -65°C to 75°C. Looking at an Oldham coupling, but see the peak disc is only rated to -20°C. Can it withstand -65°C? If not, why? We rate peak discs to -20°C because this is the guidance that the manufacturer of the peak gives to us. When the low end of the temperature range is exceeded, the material becomes brittle. Under a torque load, this may cause the disc to fracture. Peak is designed for use in high temperature or low outgas applications. When used in low temperature, performance is largely dependent upon exposure time, temperature, and system requirements. The coupling may perform depending on where your application falls within these variables. However, it's generally not an application where we would recommend the use of a peak disc. Thank you, and we'll see you next week.